in the Constitution and in the local government law of Rivers State have said until elections are done, these local governments will stay in office for another 6 months in the interim. So as a matter of fact, we as local government chairmen, we are going to remain in office because the law says so. The recently amended law, the local government law, that creates and provides for tenure and functioning of local governments in Rivers State, as empowered by the Constitution, has given us an additional 6 months period, and we will remain in the office until that period expires.
For us to have the All Progressives Congress begin to poke their hands into the governance of Rivers State is something that is very sad. There are clear separation of powers, as you may know. We are a third tier of government. We are not a ministry under the governor. And this espouses the need for true autonomy of local governments.